Most freshers think they're just bad at finance. They think money is too complicated. Investing feels like a gamble. Budgeting sounds like a chore. But here's the truth. You're probably not bad at finance. You just haven't been shown a system that actually works for a salary. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a way to look at your money that actually makes sense. No jargon. No fear. Let me ask you something. Your salary hits your account every month, but where does it actually go? Most people can't give a clear answer, and it's not because they're careless, it's because nobody ever showed them how to see their money flow. Money doesn't just disappear in one go, it leaks. You get paid, you feel great for a few days, then the small stuff starts. Subscriptions, food orders, a few cabs, some random shopping. On their own, they look harmless, but together, they eat your entire month. Your income is visible, your spending is invisible. That's the real problem. A lot of us avoid finance because it feels intimidating. Too many charts, too many expert words. So the brain just says, I'll figure this out later, and later turns into years. There's usually one big lie behind this. I'll focus on earning more first, and then I'll sort out my money. But here's the thing. Your money habits don't start when you hit a certain salary. They start with your very first paycheck. Delaying this doesn't protect you. It just costs more. Finance isn't hard. Bad explanations are hard. When someone explains it clearly, money becomes logical. Manageable. You don't need an MBA, you need a clear system. If you've ever felt confused about where your money went, it's not your fault. Nobody teaches this early enough. That's exactly what we're fixing today. Here are the 3 things that actually move the needle. First, track everything for 1 month. Don't judge yourself, just watch. App, piece of paper, notes, doesn't matter. What gets measured improves. Second, spend with awareness, not guilt. There's a real difference between a survival expense and a lifestyle choice. Rent and food, survival. That delivery order you didn't even want, lifestyle. Protect the essentials. Cut the unplanned leaks. Third, build a structure. Don't rely on willpower or discipline. They always run out. You need a system that shows you the right number every single time you open your banking app. That's the foundation everything else sits on. Income alone won't sort your finances. It's what you do with it that counts. Your first habits matter more than your first salary. On this channel, Jargon Finance, we take these real money problems and break them down into steps that actually make sense. No heavy terms, no confusion, just clarity. If this way of thinking about money is working for you, subscribe. New video every 10 days. No filler, no jargon, nothing you'll need a finance degree to understand. Next video, how we go into why your salary feels completely fine on the first and somehow gone by the 15th. The answer isn't what most people expect.